again.
Jesus.
You know you have to keep an face. So put
I say from here the voice I don't know King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
Welcome back to JV Radio. If it's your first time here, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn your post notification on. We now got each of this, I got jump straight into it. There's a video circulating on social media which appears to be a police officer abusing a civilian. Now we're gonna talk about it because that's really drawn a lot of attention all over the place. And we're just here for just give you honest opinion. Based on my observation, it appears as if there was a vendor selling in a no-sell zone, because that's all I can say. You get me? Because it's still unclear as to why the police dealt with the matter like that. So let's say no-sell zone, because based on how the police actually came about, him just come about and just start tear down everything. Him start check up the vendor things them. So when he attempts on taking the vendor's goods on numerous occasions, the last time the vendor decides, hey, you know, me a hold on on it, me nah let go. So him push the vendor down, and that's when it appears as if the customer intervened. You get me? He intervened the first time, the police push him away also. Then him try fall up on the police again, and that's when the police take out him button and slap him in the head, and we just start to see blood start spray. No, is that the right way to deal with a matter like that? We could talk about it. Take a walk. And first and foremost, we want to pause the video and leave some comments in the comment section below. Me need to hear an opinion on the matter here. Alright, good. Now of you are subscribers. Now we know sometimes brutal force is necessary, and we not gonna argue about that. Sometimes brutal force is necessary, but in a case like this, we never think it did necessary. And we believe say the police officer couldn't deal with the situation a whole lot better. That's not the way you deal with a civilian. You get me? I understand say him asked for the goods then, right? And the vendor was reluctant or adamant in giving him the goods, which typically that's how it would be, right? You now go come see me I try to make my honest bread for feed my family, and you come ask me for my goods just because I'm probably there's someone enough for there, or whatever the case may be. I'm just give it to you like that. No, you get me? Me nah do that. So me go put up some force, but that not give you the right to deal with me like as if I'm less of a person. You see it? And sometimes I wonder if these persons, even if they're what you call them, municipal police or whatever they want him, if they're not trained to deal with situation or de-escalate situation like this, because this could have easily been de-escalated. It never have to go so far. First and foremost, from you demand the vendor goods them, because it appears as if the vendor violates some form of law or rules, or she not for the right there. So from you ask her the first time and she said no, you ask her again and she reluctant, you must go and try something, talk it out, explain to her, say what's enough for the right here. So because I'm under the impression say the vendor must have done something. Like no police and them righteous man now just come antagonize people like that. Now I refuse to believe the theory there and the narrative there, because people have this narrative to say your police just see people and just pick on them. No, me no believe so. So there must have been so worst case scenario. She not for the right here. So you come, you talk to her, ask her if she can remove herself. Probably you talk to her already early and during the day and she didn't move. She decides to take up her goods them and cut with it or whatever you gotta do. But try to see if you could deal with it a different way. Now, in regards to the customer, because me can only think that person is a customer who will support the business of the vendor. Now, him never like what really are going on. Honestly, with all honestly, my viewer subscribers, you now go see a policeman a push down a female because it's a female vendor like that, and you do something well. And for y'all who say yo the person wrong, and based on when me I watch the video, it appears that if that young man, it could be a family member or a friend of the woman with the police they abuse. Now the man did nothing wrong, you know. You get me? All the man I try to do is to ease up the police. He not none to the woman. And for some reason, the police has stuck out him button and just lick the man name head. And me I wonder, me I say, yo, when do that for? Like, why? When do that for? Like, that never made no sense. Now, the JCF has launched an investigation into the matter just to find out what really happened. And me know say a whole heap of we would want to know what happened as well. Me personally would like to know what really happened. What took place. You get me? What the vendor could do so make the police deal with the situation like that. And as for the young man we're getting made burst up, but I really like to understand or know what become of the situation there, because the police can't say him act in self-defense, because the young man did nothing more than the young man there stop you from lick the woman or push the woman down again. So but wanna know what really happened. And with cases like this, we realize nothing much not to come out of it, because it involves a lawman. So me really want them take this up, and me really need to find out what really happened, my viewers, subscribers, because it is unacceptable. Time and time we see them situation here where police abuse them power. You get me? And sometimes, as me said earlier, we understand say brutal force is necessary in some cases, but in the other part where it's not necessary, it can be avoided. You don't have to use brutal force. In your case here, the police never did have to do nothing like that. Him could de-escalate the matter. You get me? Talk it out. Try to find out what really happened. We hear earlier in that video that the woman has said every minute the police take set pan her. But in all honesty, we know say someone have to happen, because the police now gotta see a human being and just pick pan the person. So we need some information on that. Now, my viewers, subscribers, we have a video circulate also, a next video with a police which appears to be a policeman. Sorry, he might enjoy himself and have a good time. We want to watch the video and then we're gonna talk about it.
You see?
So before me ask or before you actually comment or leave an opinion on this video here or any comment, let me just first say this. Watch it's unclear as to the date as to when this video was recorded. So let me just put that out there from the beginning. No. Yo, the police officer says 6, Now, let me just give my 2 cents on this now. First and foremost, we are all human beings, right? Nothing is wrong with enjoying yourself. You get me? And me recommend say, you have to enjoy yourself sometime. Especially when you do a work like that. You get me? Me expect them to enjoy themselves, have as much happy time or time like this as possible, because the work of them do in a easy, and they take a toll upon them in a long run if you just serious all the time and you not enjoy yourself. So let me just say that from now. So it's always good to enjoy yourself. And them a human being, of course, nothing wrong if them say 6 guys or whatever. Because remember, they were once enjoying themselves before them going to force, So, and everybody listen to music. Everybody, in a care if you're Christian, if you're police, if you're a soldier, in a care where you be. Everybody listen to music. It's just that everybody have a set type of music with them listen to. Some might listen to dancehall and some might listen to dancehall. But in this case, we can see that this policeman here is a strong fan of dancehall. Now, when we have a problem with my viewers, subscribers, is that he might do all this in a uniform now. Even though the face, we make sure we hide out the face, because you don't know them thing here go. Even though he might enjoy himself, which we say, nothing wrong with that. He's doing it in his uniform. And based on the law or the narrative where police officers and soldiers them portray or them put forward, is that you have to respect your uniform. There's a lot of things that a lot of persons don't understand, and people might watch this video and say nothing wrong with it, but this video has a whole heap of flaws, which I'm going to point out now. So he might do all of the negative things in a uniform. In this case here, him in a uniform. If him the out of uniform, nothing is wrong with it, because me not have a problem with it. But guess what now? The JSC them have a problem with it because you're in a them uniform. It's just like you going to school, You're in a uniform. If you're outside outside of the school compound, the principal might see you if you behave some type of way where I bring down the school or make people think negative about the school. So the bugger loudness, the bugger. Them kind of behavior there when the principal and see you disease and stop all them behavior there. Once outside of the school compound in a uniform. So other type of thing that me I try bring across. Nothing is wrong with where I do, but because he's in his uniform, a whole heap of thing is wrong with it. You get me, my viewers, subscribers. But comment in the comment section below, phone 2 cents. What do you think about the video? What do you think about the vendor situation? Want on voice no opinion in the comment section below. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.